In this video, I'm going to show you how to prep, mask and spray paint your walls. Start by sanding all the areas down first. Then mask up the radiators and any electrical sockets that you don't want any paint going on. Then of course your windows and window frames. Dilute your paint if you're using a paint sprayer, give it a good mix up, then pour it into the reservoir and fasten the lid on. Test the paint flow on a piece of cardboard and then you're ready to start spraying your walls. I normally spray up and down from top to bottom and then I'll do a second coat from left to right. Then before it dries, remove the masking tape. Then you can touch up the ceiling and cut in your skirting boards using your paintbrush. If you're looking for more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.